The new LTS Platinum and Pro VS PTZ IP cameras are here to provide a multi-view solution for outdoor surveillance. Each camera is designed as a dual-lens device that supports 2 separate channels with 1 network cable connection, built to save on installation time and costs. Both camera models are designed with a fixed 4-megapixel wide-angle lens on top. The lens is equipped with Color 24/7 technology, providing high-definition, full-color security footage over expansive areas at any time of day. Below that on both models is the PTZ lens, sporting smart tracking for human and vehicle movement with 25 times optical zoom capacity. The Platinum and Pro VS PTZ cameras are supported by the LTS Connect and LTS Pro VS mobile apps respectively. In areas such as office buildings, parking lots, and city streets, our PTZ IP cameras help to capture video of potential security threats at varied distances and angles from the same vantage point, with one lens keeping an eye out for the wide overall view and the other tracking targeted movements. Our cameras provide double the surveillance power in a single device. To learn more, please contact your local LTS sales representative or visit our website at ltsecurityinc.com. Thank you for watching.